Making mid-edit changes, whether adding or removing clips, can throw off your entire timeline. But the track selection tool makes it easy to shift everything while keeping your edit intact. Now, technically this is called the track select forward tool, but because this tool has multiple tools grouped within it, I'll call it the track selection tool, and it will make a lot more sense later on in this video. By default, this tool selects all clips to the right of your cursor across all tracks. Click once, and you can move everything together while keeping clips in sync. No need to manually lasso them, which can be very challenging for a large timeline with many layers. Need more control? Hold Shift to switch to the single track selection tool, allowing you to move clips on just one track without affecting the rest. But watch out, with link selection toggled on, you may still accidentally have a few clips for other tracks come along for the ride. When using single track selection, make sure to hold Alt for PC or Option for Mac while using the tool to ensure you are only selecting the intended portion of those linked clips. If you need to select clips to the left instead of the right, navigate to the toolbar and click and hold the Track Select tool to reveal a group of tools which contains the Track Select Backward tool. Select this and the arrow flips, and you can select everything to the left. Once again, holding Shift allows for single track selection. I love the track selection tool because it's easy to rearrange large sections of your edit without losing sync. Next time you're shifting a scene or making space for a new insert, try this tool. It'll save you time and frustration. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to fast track your learning, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. And for longer form, in-depth, project-based classes, check out my Skillshare page. Links are available in the video description.